Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and welcome. This month I'm going to be giving away these vehicles as part of the Patreon, which is the Muscle Machines, the Monster Jam, and I threw in 2 Corvettes because I'm trying to keep the value at least $10, and I think this works out to be like 12 or 13. But anyways, so I take everybody who's signed up, and based on the membership levels, pretty much determines the number of entries you get. So I put them in, and in my random name picker, it comes up with Michael Powell. Next up is my custom Sweet 16 silhouette that I did not too long ago, actually, on the videos. And this came out really good. Not my favorite casting, but it came out really, 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 really good. And I'm going to be giving this away to the top tier members. And this one was a fun build. If you guys got a chance to watch it, I don't do these very often, so this was a little outside my norm for what I usually do. I've got a shitload of Sweet 16 and old Hot Wheels stuff that I got in a jar not too long ago. But anyway, so obviously those members obviously get put in, and I pick a name from there as well. Let the computer do its magic, and the winner is Michael Powell. That's a first. One person won both, which we said could happen. So here's a little congratulations to Michael, by the way. I will be sending that out. If you could message me here on Patreon what your mailing address is, that would be awesome. I've got a couple of projects that have been sitting around that I have not done anything with. One of them is this bone shaker that kind of got spurred on by Rogue Syndicate Parts, and he had sent me some stuff and I was playing around, so wheels and chassis mainly, and then I took this motor that I got from Blue Meanie TSI Customs, and I was custom fabricating a chassis, and I was doing all kinds of crap to it, and I just got so deep into it that it was taking way too much time. And the problem I'm finding is I just don't have enough time in a day, mixed with I don't have enough energy in a day. So some of these projects end up taking a back seat, and I'll finish them eventually. I've got these two. Hell, I think I got that 1/24 scale truck I still got to do. It just takes time, and I apologize that I'm really, part of my problem too here is on Patreon. When I switched from a Samsung to an Apple phone, the app for Patreon gets all messed up and I can't access it, and I have to log in every time. I don't get notified. It's really an inconvenience, and I'm not at my computer very often, so it makes it even harder to update. Here's another one I started, probably 8 months ago. This is a Nomad that I was custom building based on some pictures, which you'll see in a few seconds. Pretty much trying to replicate it. I think it was a Johnny Lightning to start with, and there's not much left of it from what it started with. I hacked up the roof, the fender wells, the front clip, just everything. And the chassis is really good. The body is a little off, and I can't explain what it is. It's just one of those things. So it's been sitting in the little diorama garage as a project car for this entire time. Eventually, I will get to it, and I'd like to do it for Patreon only. And I'm trying to find ways to increase the Patreon. My Patreon participation, because I feel really, really bad. There's all kinds of things I'm supposed to be doing I'm not doing. I'm just running out of time. I've got myself stretched way too thin. It'll be easier as it gets colder out. I'll have more time. But a lot of you know, if you're friends with me on Facebook, I started a detail company detailing cars. So, on the weekends I'm busy doing that. So it's just really getting hard to find the energy and the time to update this the way I'm supposed to, but I promise you I will, because I enjoy doing this and I want to continue, and I'm going to continue. I need to set myself a schedule, I guess, and I appreciate you guys sticking with me through thick and thin. But enough for my excuses. Once again, congratulations to Michael Powell. Well, there's the car that I was kind of basing it off of. I took some liberties, of course, but, you know, that's kind of the stance I was going for. But, hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Congratulations to Michael. Make sure you send me your address, and I will catch you on the next one.